Okay guys, I'm back, and I am doing my actual part of the game now. Blah blah blah. Now if you really want to get the text, play the game for yourself, because I'm not doing my dog really. Oh sweet, this is new. So 3, you can start crafting. Oh, okay, it's fine what you can do. Ridiculous, I'm level 45, I have a level 45 master, right? By the way, if you want to join me, I'm in the Realm Centaur, so if you guys want to join me, yeah, I'm totally gonna finish by the series, but I haven't got anybody. Burn myself. Oh, hard to hold up camera. I need like a speed. There we go. A little you can see it all. You can see a little bit. No, it's not good enough. The viewers deserve more than that. You guys deserve to see what I'm doing. Let's just get it fun. How about that? Is that good for you guys? Oh, there we go. Yeah, he's gonna catch me at the door, but I don't need to. So, yeah. Oh god, I'm thankful. There we go. Now you guys can't see my bottom screen, I know, but you can always see the top screen. I'm gonna go up to the bottom of the game so I can maybe move the camera to adjust or something. I know you can. Let's go in here and let's join these guys. Yeah, guys, I'm being quiet because my mom catches me. I'm gonna delete my video on my channel so I think I'm gonna end this video soon and go over edit some stuff. How's this look for you guys? Actually, yeah, it's pretty good. You just can't see like the corner moves over here. Other than that, it's fine. Oh man, died. Yeah, okay, we still got the other guy. Yeah, I'm gonna finish up this quest and I'm gonna be done because I only got 17 units left on me. I can camera, so I'll have to go edit that tomorrow morning. Maybe not be able to get a video done. I actually gotta do my homework in the morning. Don't tell anybody that I'm doing it. No, don't die. I'll kill him. Yay. Oh my god. Wow. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So maybe if like pulled out of 2 out of 3, okay. Yeah, I can't really tell, I gotta go look. Nobody dare join this battle. My battle alone. I'll hit him in the first game. Here we go, and he's dead. Yep. I'm doing good, and I can't believe I figured out this is a good idea for my camera. Let's go back, and I'll do the next quest, and then I'm done for tonight. Actually, I don't think I can have time, because I think I'll have to end when I get to him. Wait, no, I guess I can stop the night channel, which is right there, so right there's an X key. Actually, no, I don't have to get an X key. Sorry about that.
Turn the tide for us. We should talk to Sir and Night Chief. See if we can use it as help.
Yeah, let me just talk to him and finish up my quest. That's our level 2, obviously.
Greetings.
Yeah.
Would you check for me? Just walk down
And guys, I'm gonna end it here. Goodbye and goodbye. I don't know why I said goodbye. I think I'm gonna start. Goodbye.